Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Trello for Kanban boards and workflow management. To download Trello for Kanban boards and workflow management, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Trello download and press enter. Locate the official Trello website in the search results. Click on the link to the official Trello site. Once on the site, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. If you're new to Trello, sign up for a free account by entering your email address and creating a password. After signing up, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. For those who wish to download the app, scroll to the bottom of the Trello homepage. Look for the section that mentions Download the app. You will see options for different platforms, such as desktop or mobile. Choose the version that suits your device. If using a desktop, click on the download link for your operating system. For mobile devices, visit your respective app store, like Google Play or the Apple App Store. Search for Trello within the App Store. Once you find the app, click on Install or Get. After the download is complete, open the Trello app on your device. Log in with the account you created earlier. You're now ready to start using Trello for your Kanban boards and workflow management. Explore the features and set up your first board. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.